Hey guys, video game Brawlers CP is here today. As nearly almost complete a built up a Goblinball 3D print. See, he built. As he wins, got it, and let's put eyes on the magnet on the top. Alright, let's get built together. Nearly touches, great. Finally touch, and almost complete. Great, let's do it. Yeah, voila! It's Goblinball! Wow, that's so cool. Is it the darkest one? Here. Oh wait, no. What you call it? Really cool. I've heard gate card here. Great. Let's do it. Alright, here's the gate card. Oh, that's cool. Alright, Goblinball 3D print is ready to roll. Ready? Oh, let's try to see it. Oh, wait, just fold it. Okay. Alright, let's go. Great. Unfold it. Great. Let's do it. Great. Do it. Alright, now folder's done. There we go. Wow, look at this. There's a 3D printer. Okay, so here's our red lines, the blue lines, and there's purple lines, yellow eyes. There's a magnet here, back here. Very cool. There's a horn here. That's all cool. Good eyes. One eye. Oh, so amazing. That's so cool. Awesome. Amazing. There's a players. Oh, great. Oh, great. So this is a Goblinball 3D print from Bakugan New Vestroia. That's fantastic cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and Artist 2 and the Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click into the bell, click into Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time everybody. Bye and Bakugan Brawl!